Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change home screen wallpaper in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. This is home screen. Here wallpaper is default wallpaper. If you want to change this wallpaper to another one or another photo, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to wallpaper and style, and here select change wallpapers, and here select any wallpaper. These are all the system wallpaper. I am selecting this wallpaper, and here keep the tick mark in home screen only. Okay, untick on lock screen so that home screen wallpaper can be changed now, and click on next and click on done if it is okay. Yes, home screen wallpaper now has been changed. See here. So if you would like to now set a photo as wallpaper for home screen, yes, you can do it. Again, go to the settings and go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpapers, and here select gallery folder, recent folder, videos, screenshots, and screen recorder, camera. All folders are showing here, and I select camera, and I am selecting this biscuit wallpaper. Click on done. I have taken a biscuit photo and I set in home screen and click on next, and yes, if it is okay, then click on done, and yes, now it has been applied. See in the home page. So in this way also you can set your desired photo as wallpaper for your home screen. If you want to change back to default wallpaper, again go to the settings of your phone and go to wallpaper and style, and here click on change wallpapers and select the default featured wallpaper and click on home screen only. Click on next and click on done, and it has been changed back to default wallpaper now. See here. So in this way you can easily change any desired wallpaper for your phone for lock screen in Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.